Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today I will talk about how we can enable remote desktop service on your Windows machine and how you can uh, connect any Windows or other machine through the remote desktop service. Okay, so I will tell you very simple and crisp way. You don't need to go multiple ways and do a lot of things. So simply if File Explorer and Windows Explorer here or in your desktop, or you can search from the search menu. Just click on it. Once it is opened, you just need to go properties of this PC. Okay, so let me click here and right click, properties. Okay, once you are here in properties, click to advanced system settings. Now here you can see the last step is for remote service, and you can simply allow remote assistance connections to this computer, and then click here allow remote connections to this computer. Okay, now if you see this option and it is clicked, I mean selected, then you can uncheck it, because if you click, then it should require network level authentication. It means if your system is under domain or in the same network zone, whatever computers are going to be connect via remote desktop, then you can connect, otherwise it will create some problem. Okay, so you don't need to do this. And if you are running in domain, then you can do further level of securities, like you can simply add the requested users or something. Suppose there is multiple users in your team and you want to add couple of members to access your machine, then simply you can add from here, and remaining should not able to connect. Okay, so just click OK. This is how you can simply enable the remote desktop service. You don't need to do further. And now to connect any machine, simply go to search menu and type ms tsc, and you see the remote desktop connection. You can type remote desktop connection as well. I remember shortcuts, so that's the reason I typed mstsc. Otherwise, if you type remote, you should see the same option. Okay, so this is how you can enable the remote desktop services in your Windows machine and utilize this feature. Now if you like the video, kindly do subscribe and comment. I will help you out if you have any more issues. So thank you so much, have a nice day.